already laid out the cattle panel the way I want it.
Okay, so
Actually, I don't.
yeah.
I have to turn it around.
Okay,
And the
but
reason I have to turn it around is that these short panels need to be on the bottom.
so what my husband's doing right now, let's explain it to you. He is putting up our green bean fence. We're going to have combination of bush beans and pole beans in here. So this is basically how it's going to go. Do you need some help, baby? I know I should be helping him, but
These smaller squares you need to go on the bottom, right? So the plants are little.
yeah, that's a good idea. Yep. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, more in a minute. This is the second post for the green bean trellis. And that's it, I think. I'm gonna do one more.
Like there's a rock.
Yeah, you're gonna feel it once you start pounding it. That's for sure.
Close enough to perfect.
Yeah.
99.9% perfect, right?
Yeah. That's funny. Nice. Is that gonna do it? Should go a little lower. You know why? Because I can see the that dart down at the bottom, or that arrow.
Uh-huh.
You see the arrow?
The arrows just disappeared.
No, down there, darling. At the very bottom of the T-post, the middle one.
Oh yeah, this one's got to go down.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I was just checking the level. before
Oh,
I
I see.
So any
He's-
adjustments I can make right now.
He's milking it.
Oh, I did.
He's milking it. He's milking it, in other words. Okay. All right. That's good. Let me help you?
Please.
Okay. More later. And that's just about done. That's going to be the green bean fence right there. These are my blueberries right here. These are blueberries right there, and they're the green beans are going right here, where my husband just put this. The pole beans and the bush beans. I had both. You will be planting the green beans shortly. So how you doing, honey?
Doing good. Feeling
Yeah.
good, love.
Feeling good.
Yep.
We're getting stuff done.
Getting stuff done. Yep.
We're growing
The
food.
whole month of June. Actually, you've been busy with planting all winter long, but now comes my part of the fun.
Yep. Setting stuff up like this or that over there. That's my carrots and my potatoes and
Yes, but these 2 months, May and June, are all about planting season.
it is.
So, we've been talking about doing this stuff all winter long. Now,
Yep. It's here. This will be our first year, our first garden here. So we don't know how successful we're going to be, but we're going to find out. Our bees are there. See them? They've been very busy. Oh, look at, there's a bee in front. Because I have these over here. These are blooming, and I don't know what these are. But they've been on these guys constantly. I don't smell nothing, but yeah. I don't know what these are. But they all have flowers on them. Yellow flowers. Which is cool. I don't think my husband's been as busy as this, even out of work, that he ever worked at a job. He's never been this busy. Huh, honey?
Yes.
You are
I'm
very...
working for myself now. Well, I'm working for us.
Working for us, and the thing is he's never been so busy in his life. We've got not, you know, if when things are going well, it's busy enough, but if things are not going well and we get a hiccup, then it becomes even more time consuming and stressful because there's more to do. Because nothing goes as planned on the homestead. Nothing goes as planned. You have to be versatile. Like a good Marine.
And you know me, I like staying busy. So.
Yeah, you do. Yes. Yeah. The babies are nice and quiet. Gotta be almost feeding time. 1 o'clock. Wait, you said it was 11 o'clock?
I don't know what time it is, love.
Okay. Careful, don't cut yourself. Okay, so we are pretty much done with this, right, honey?
Yes.
Nice.
I just have to cut off these end of these zip ties,
And we're good.
and that's it.
And that's where my green beans are going. Thank you so much, love.
You're welcome, love. It's for us.
It's for us, yep. I tell you what, you kind of get the idea how it goes in the wintertime, because in the wintertime, we ate a lot of our food, didn't we?
Yes.
A lot. I mean, our shelves are emptying out. It's amazing how much salsa you can go through. Isn't it, right? You thought that was too much.
I did. A lot of the canning you did,
Yep.
a lot of the preserving you did, I thought, we'll never eat that much food.
And we ate it all over the winter. Over the winter, yep. It's amazing how much food one person can eat just to live. More later. God is good.
All the time, my love, all the time.
All the time. Ciao.